Hadouken! Alright peeps, welcome back to my channel. It's a spring afternoon, quite chilly for spring actually, but I'm here and I'm ready to put some seeds and some of my seedlings in the soil. You're going to see some trays. In those trays are broccoli, carrots, alyssum, lettuce and dahlias. I've got rosemary, lavender, some sweet corn and some summer cabbage. Seaweed, crispy seaweed from the Chinese shop. They actually make it from spring cabbage. Hopefully I'm going to grow some spring cabbage and then I'll make some seaweed with it and show you the recipe or the technique, the method. It's been drizzling. I'm going to go out there and I'm going to start putting some stuff in the ground. Thanks again so much for joining me. I really appreciate you watching the channel, the videos, the uploads, and if you do like or find anything I do entertaining or informative, please do hit that like and subscribe button. I would really appreciate that. Thank you guys. See you soon.
Soundstrap. Soundstrap. Soundstrap.
Yes, my people, so we're all done here at the allotment. Quite a bit of stuff done. I put in some corn. Ooh, I love a bit of corn on the cob. Some spring cabbage, some carrots. I planted my dahlias, my alyssum, some lavender and some thyme. But I can see right now there's a couple of robins and they are after my corn. Those damn robins. They've been hovering, watching me plant, watching me sow, and now they want to enjoy. Maybe I need a scarecrow, who knows? But yeah, it's turning out to be a gorgeous day. Highs of 16 today, apparently. Highs of 16, wow. Thanks again for joining me. I'm gonna stay out here and listen to the bird song for a few more minutes before I leave. Take care, look after yourselves. Ciao. Combo breaker.